Sorkar jylla manta kasngi kala Kyntu ki deputy commissioners bakide ban aya ka jingshem jongki Meghalaya day bat ka Shillong jingman jongki district ka jylla Meghalaya ka Sorkar kala Kyntu eki bakin airu eki jingshem ki bakhambnia Meghalaya day bat ki jaka nong kendong Meghalaya day bat kani menteri rangba ukon rarke sangma ula batha eki deputy commissioners bakin ai jingmut jongki Meghalaya day bat ka jingpen bed ye upur usam hapadeng ka jylla Meghalaya bat asam
regional committees. So as I said, today was a very long meeting, but it was the crux of the meeting was basically to see the first report that was prepared by the regional committees. Second, we had a long meeting also on the COVID situation, and after, of course, seeing that the numbers have come down considerably compared to the last 2 to 3 weeks, we have, of course, opened up a number of activities. So we want more of such activities to be opened up, and at the same time, so that normalcy can return. But at the same time, we are also trying to streamline some of the small areas where some confusions were there in regards to the protocols that have been issued by the health department or by the political or by the DC. So those matters were discussed. So those are micro details. I think the Deputy Commissioner and Chief Secretary's office, once the notifications comes out, those details will be available there. So those were the two main areas of discussion.